Hey everyone, welcome back. So I am back with another review of some Madam Glam gel polishes. This is from their Sanctuary collection and these are stunning. So one thing about Madam Glam, they give you a lot of bang for your buck. They're 15 milliliter gel polishes. They come in this gorgeous box. To me, it's perfect because I can use this for storage or anything else. It's just very well packaged. This is called Gray Skies. It's a little dirty. I don't know what happened in shipping. I don't know if it leaked, but no biggie. My next one here is Sunset in Florida. Here is a really cool fall color. It actually looks more brown off camera, but this is called Are We Lost? And here's an awesome looking mauve. Once again, follow me.